Welcome to Message Queue Fundamentals. In this video, we'll explore asynchronous communication in distributed systems and how queue-based message passing decouples services. Message queues are a critical component in modern software architecture, enabling systems to handle high volumes of data and maintain reliability at scale. A message queue is a software component that enables asynchronous communication between services. Think of it like a mailbox. Instead of services talking directly to each other, they send messages to a queue, and other services read from that queue when they're ready. The key benefit is that producers and consumers don't need to know about each other, creating loose coupling between systems. The basic architecture consists of three components. First, a producer sends messages to the queue. The queue stores these messages safely. Finally, a consumer reads and processes messages from the queue. This separation means producers can send messages quickly without waiting for consumers to process them, and consumers can process at their own pace. Message queues provide four main benefits. First is decoupling, where services don't directly depend on each other. Second is asynchronous processing, allowing tasks to execute independently without blocking. Third is scalability, where you can add more consumers to handle increased load dynamically. Fourth is reliability, ensuring messages persist until successfully processed, even if systems fail. Consider sending email notifications. Without a message queue, when a user submits a form, the server sends an email immediately, and the user waits for a response. This is slow and blocks the user. With a message queue, the form submission adds a message to the queue and returns a response immediately to the user. An email service processes the message later in the background. The user experience is much better. There are four main types of message queues. Point-to-point is one producer and one consumer per message, like an order processing system. Publish-subscribe is one producer with multiple consumers receiving the same message, useful for event notifications. Topic-based routes messages by topic to interested subscribers, perfect for real-time data streaming. Priority queues process messages based on their importance level, ensuring critical alerts are handled first. Message queues have three core features. Message durability means messages are stored persistently and survive system failures. Acknowledgement and retry ensures consumers confirm successful processing and messages are retried if processing fails. Time to live allows messages to expire after a specified duration, preventing old messages from accumulating indefinitely in the queue. Several tools dominate the market. RabbitMQ is a reliable message broker with flexible routing, commonly used in enterprise applications. Apache Kafka provides high-throughput distributed event streaming, ideal for big data and real-time analytics. AWS SQS is a fully managed cloud service perfect for applications already in the AWS ecosystem. Redis Streams offers in-memory messaging for applications requiring extremely high speed. Implementing message queues introduces three main challenges. Exactly once delivery is difficult because ensuring messages aren't processed multiple times requires careful coordination. Message ordering becomes complex when messages are distributed across multiple partitions. Finally, there's the challenge of managing queue infrastructure and operational overhead, which adds complexity to your system architecture. Message queues are used extensively across industries. In e-commerce, they handle order processing, inventory updates, and payment processing. Social media platforms use them for feed generation, sending notifications, and processing analytics. Healthcare systems use message queues for patient data processing, appointment scheduling, and critical alerts. Analytics platforms rely on them for real-time data ingestion, batch processing, and generating reports. Remember three key points. First, message queues enable asynchronous communication and decouple distributed services, allowing them to evolve independently. Second, choose the right queue type and tool based on your specific requirements and use case. Third, Message queues are essential for building scalable and reliable distributed systems that can handle growth and failures gracefully.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.